Hey guys, here I have a function called isDouble. What this function will be used for error handling. So what this function does is this function takes multiple string as input. So you can imagine that in iOS app when you enter some stuff in your text field, they are taken as strings. So now this will check whether the given string or input field can be converted to double or not. Now see guys, this is useful in places where like I myself has have built a carpool app where app helps us to calculate fare of each person. And now we are making this unit conversion app, so we will need to take input from text field. So I'll guide you through. So here is a function isDouble, and here we are actually using a variadic function. This is actually no, it's not a variadic function; it's a variadic parameter. So this is the syntax of declaring a variadic parameter. This means that there can be multiple number of strings in input. It can have a single string. It can have multiple string. This is the syntax for declaring a variadic parameter. It will return a boolean. It will return true if the input strings can be converted to a double, and it will return false if it cannot. If it will return false if even if out of all the strings, if single one is not able to be converted, so it will return false. So here it is. It will return a boolean. I have a flag here. Isdub is a flag. So we are taking it true. We are assuming that it will be true. So for I in A, basically this is what this is. What variadic is, variadic A will be assumed as an array of strings. Okay, so yeah, A will be a array. So we are iterating the array. So for each element in array, we will check that we'll assume a constant dub check, which is double and it is an optional, and we will try to convert it. Now, if it is able to get converted, so it will have a value, and if it is not being able to convert, so it will have a nil. So if we are checking if this dub check has nil is equal to nil, then we will give is dub will mark flag as false, and eventually return is dub. So here I have few example. I got this first thing has string and numbers, so it is returning false. And this one, the second one, has numbers and decimals, so it is returning true. So this function will be important, and this can be used for multiple purposes. You can alter it according to your use. Thank you. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe.